everyone, this is Sonia from PTEClasses. So today we will be discussing about the changes in PT that PT Pearson is bringing in December and January. But there are so many questions that we have received from the candidates and the students who are giving the PT test in near future. So let's just go through those questions and I'll answer those questions in this video. So the first question usually they ask is that why are these changes that PT Pearson is bringing. So the answer for this question is that maybe because non-native people are getting 90 out of 90, which is very weird, and I think that can be the reason of bringing these changes. And the dates of these changes is from 11th of December until end of January. So what is going to happen is that from 11th of December till end of January, there will be questions which are unmarked questions. So whatever the new questions that they are introducing, they will be unscored, they will be unmarked questions, but there will be questions that you will get to see in your PT exam. So please make sure that you are well aware it is the same kind of questions which is, for example, when we are giving exam right now, there is an introduction of yourself, right? So introduction of yourself is unscored question which comes in the PT exam. So it is exactly the same way. But now the other question is that something that they will be changing the whole PT academic test in future? Maybe yes or maybe no. What my prediction is that of course they are giving these new questions just to test at the moment, and they will definitely be bringing these questions as a marked questions. There can be even further changes to these questions, and there can be something that maybe they'll just do a little bit more changes in future, and they'll get those questions as a marked questions as well. So yes, you can predict and you can say that PT Pearson is getting PT academic few changes in future, in near future. So next question is that what PT test have these new kind of questions? So okay, so what those questions would look like? I must tell you that number one thing is that maybe they are getting couple of questions new, and what those questions would look like would be something related or something similar to answer short question, and something similar to retell lecture as well. In those questions, maybe you can just play a role model kind of thing, or maybe there would be some questions that you need to answer with your opinion and stuff. So there can be something like that. No one is sure as of now, but these are the perceptions or the predictions that PT teacher can give you. If you need more information, of course you can contact us. You can attend our live session for the master class and strategy class. I'll be more explaining into that as well. So of course the scored question I've already explained earlier as well. Do I need to prepare for them? Because these questions will be unscored questions, unmarked questions, so I don't think so that you should be prepared from those questions as of now. But hopefully if they'll just put it as a scored question or the marked question, of course we will be providing you with the templates. So please keep following us for the templates and for the upcoming news as well. Can I skip these questions? Okay, so the next question is that can I skip these questions? Yes, you can skip these questions. It's on you. So that's perfectly fine if you want to skip the questions. Last but not the least one, that will the new questions be flagged during the test? See, introduce yourself here or introduction to yourself is something that is not flagged, that is not highlighted when you are giving a test, right? These new questions would exactly be the same. They will not be saying that it is not marked. They will not be mentioning that these are the new questions and blah blah blah. You have to figure that out on your own when you are giving your PTE test. So please make sure that you just keep your focus and your eyes open when you are giving the PTE test. I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have more questions on new changes regarding PT academic tests, so please do let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure that I reply you all. If you want me to make more videos like this, please follow and subscribe our channel so that we can make more videos like this, and I'll come back with the more videos. And until then, bye.